3 best foods for men's fertility. For every man that want to improve his fertility must endeavor to consume these 3 best foods that I want to share in this video. So you are welcome in this channel. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel and you want to get videos for men and natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish video, you will get notified and be the first to watch it. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the best 3 food to improve men's fertility. For any man who is impotent or any man who have a low sperm count, with these 3 food, they will help that man to improve his fertility and make his semen thicker and stronger. What are the 3 best food? Number 1, which is very important and the best, is pineapple. Yes, pineapple is a very nice food or fruit that will help men to improve their fertility. Why? It contains antioxidants and vitamins and minerals that will help a man to improve or boost up his immunity. Pineapple has the power to replace wounded tissues. Pineapple has the power to boost up immunity. And when your immunity is in the perfect state, it will also contribute or help to boost up your fertility. So, as a man, you want to improve your fertility, consider to consume pineapple as much as you can. But in case if you have enough sugar in your body system, don't take pineapple too much. Don't consume it too much. With this, it will help you to live a healthy life and also help you to improve your fertility. Number 2, which is also important, is orange. Yes, most people neglect orange, but not knowing that orange is a best and natural source of vitamin C. And with a good vitamin C in your body system, it also boosts up your immunity. And once your immunity is in the perfect state, it will also lead to good fertility. Number 3 and the last, which is also important, and every man needs to consume this on daily basis or 2 times in a month or 2 times in a week. It is very good. That fruit or food is avocado pear. Yes, avocado pear is a very nice food to improve your fertility, to increase your sperm count, and to make you to lower your blood pressure and also lower your sugar level in your blood. So when you consume avocado pear, you are going to get all these benefits, and with this, your immune system will be in the perfect state. It will also improve your blood flow and blood circulation. So when you consider consuming these 3 fruits or food, it will help you to improve your fertility. So these are the 3 best food or fruits that I want to share in this video that will help you as a man to improve your fertility. Women can consume this, children can consume it, but for any man that want to improve his fertility, should consider taking these 3 best food that I shared in this video. If you do this, you will improve your fertility successfully. So thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. In case if you are new on this channel, consider to be a member of this channel because this channel is for men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you success, long life and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.